Confused about which skincare ingredients actually work? If you've tried everything to get clear, even toned skin and feel stuck, you might just be missing one crucial piece. Let's talk about niacinamide, the underdog ingredient you need to know about for healthier, brighter skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a powerful multitasker. Think of it as the all-in-one ingredient that balances oil, soothes irritation, and fades dark spots. It's a real game changer, especially if you're dealing with acne, redness, or fine lines. So, how does it work? Niacinamide strengthens your skin's barrier, reduces inflammation, and can even increase hydration. Science backs it up, showing that with regular use, it improves skin elasticity, reduces fine lines, and creates an even tone. No wonder it's in so many products now. But here's the thing. You might be making mistakes that keep you from seeing results. Here are the top 3 mistakes with niacinamide that could be holding your skin back. Mistake 1. Using it in too high of a concentration. Niacinamide works best around 5% to 10%. Higher concentrations don't mean better results. They can actually irritate your skin. Mistake 2. Layering niacinamide wrong. You'll want to apply it after cleansing but before any heavy creams, and if you're pairing it with active ingredients like vitamin C, check that your skin can handle the combo. Mistake 3. Not giving it time. Consistency is key. Give niacinamide at least 4-6 weeks to work its magic. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. To get the most out of niacinamide, try using it twice a day, morning and night, in a lightweight serum or moisturizer. And always apply SPF in the morning. Niacinamide boosts your skin's defenses, but UV protection is a must. Still skeptical? Check out these amazing transformations. People who've made niacinamide part of their routine say their skin feels less oily, looks more radiant, and has fewer breakouts. It's gentle, effective, and suitable for nearly every skin type. Ready to give niacinamide a try? Check out our recommendations in the description below and start your journey to clearer, smoother skin. Don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more skincare secrets.